Hey, hi.
We're on the way.
Hi, I'm repping.
35 Wednesday. We're going to North Carolina. We hit some traffic. Virginia, almost in Richmond.
Almost in Richmond. This is our vlog check-in number 3.
This is check-in number 3 on the vlog.
Listen to a song about Travis Kelce's penis.
Yeah, we're listening. Yo, we made it.
Yo.
We're outside of Ruby's. We got Jack.
Subscribe to my boy Shane.
Yeah, dude. Sub to the chan.
Did you get it yet?
Yeah, I sent it to you.
What'd you send me?
Of the Netflix login.
No, I meant to log in to Netflix.
Oh, I'm logged in, yeah.
Alright. Blue Mountain State.
What episode?
I think it's called Midterm. I think it's episode 9.
Day 2, on the way to Greenville.
We're leaving.
Matt's driving. I got some egg bites.
We just switched like 2 people out each time.
Vlogging. You guys have anything to say? Say to my YouTube fans?
What's up, YouTube? I've known Shane for a while. I trust anything he's trying to sell me.
Why is Jack so funny?
Anybody else?
Do the vertical vlog.
Yeah, what's it to you? It's gonna be a long form vlog.
Oh, like YouTube?
Yeah, it's gonna be YouTube vlog.
Vertical.
Check me out.
You could do it.
That's gonna be. This is the point. This is the moment in the vlog.
This is the band Honey Knife from Atlanta. They rock my socks off, and they are good men.
It's the
Jack is a fucking stud. Look at him.
It's the promise, dude.
Look at him.
Yeah. It ain't bad, huh?
Jesus.
Blue light?
So this one that we're going to. Oh, there's the gym. This one that we're going to.
I gotta push this button.
Push that button. This one that we're going is this. Wasted away again in Margaritaville.
I think this is Dreamsicle. Dreamsicle.
Yeah. What number now?
Margaritaville.
New characters
Too
unlocked.
close. New characters. New characters. We're going to the restaurant.
Stole Libby's line.
I like mine with lettuce and tomato.
Yeah.
Honestly, put him in the
A big hunk of meat
Bye-bye.
with the what is it?
Bye-bye.
Should it?
There we go. Look at this. Look at this.
All around magic, all around family.
They understand when everything's made to be broken.
Tree.
Oh yeah. That's a good tree. That's a good tree.
Am I in Avatar World?
Yo, here we are in Avatar World.
Yo,
Dude, shout out Avatar.
yo, we're here down Disney.
Yeah, we're here in Avatar World. Shout out Disney.
Nice.
Shout out fucking James Cameron. Shout out fucking Navi. Fucking World of Water, Avatar. See it in theaters.
I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. You could cut ties with all the lies that you've been living in. And if you do not want to see me again, I would understand. I would understand. The angry boy, a bit too insane. Icing over a secret pain. You know you don't belong. You're the first to fight. You way too loud. You're the flash of light on a burial shroud. I know something's wrong. Well, everyone I know has got a reason to say, put the past away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. You could cut ties with all the lies that you've been living in. And if you do not want to see me again, I would understand. I would understand. Well, he's on the table and he's gone to code, and I do not think anyone knows what they're doing here. And your friends are left till you've been dismissed.
Shane, I'll send this to you. Quick word from the director.
You're so quiet.
You know,
I knew you guys
tells the
the
story. Nightmare. It wasn't like out loud.
No, it was definitely quiet.
I think it's on the inside.
This is gonna be sent to Shane to do what he wants.
And ain't that worth subscribing?
So real.
Most magical place on earth.
Oh, am I flashing?
Canada, a 10.
How's the beer?
I really want to play hockey right now. Beer is good too. I really want to play hockey. I really want to play hockey right now.
Excited. How do you rate the beer?
10 out of 10. Tastes like beer. Tastes like beer. It's too warm.
I think beer's a 10 out of 10. I'll give Canada an 8.5.
It's a great Guinness, but it's a Guinness. Like I had one. I need a mallet. Is this where they take baths?
Take your shirt off. See what happens.
I'm Matt, and this is Canada. And this is
I think it's a 10. This is a great Guinness.
competition. I'm in Brazil. Second number 3, we're in France. Merci beaucoup.
I feel good about that. You know, honestly, not that good.
It is.
I'm a little disappointed. I would.
One in Paris.
Yeah. Close enough. No.
I am past 4. Also, we're in Morocco.
We're in Morocco.
It's like,
I think it was like Morocco.
it's way above the Negro. This is my Negro.
I don't like when you say
That's what it's called. 7-8.
Still my ranking.
Bye-bye. Leaving America.
Leaving America. Shy.
All the way to your right side, please. And quickly.
It's too hard to chug. It's too cold.
the way it is. Look, I feel like this is nice. Cheers. Foam. Mostly foam. It tastes good. Total work toast.
We gotta get out of here. And there's Libby.
Don't get this one.
What is that?
Libby.
Alright, give me a cheers.
I just wanted to say, go Mickey to somebody. The beer is okay.
I would give this like.
I would give this.
Why
are you sweating?
Give it like a. Probably like a 7 too. With relative joy. Vibes. This might be my favorite vibes.
No.
What do you mean? It's Christmas time in
This
Germany.
is a 6-3 vibe.
What?
6-3.
What?
What do you mean? Excuse me, Christine. I'm sorry.
Wow. Love a puppet.
I didn't see anywhere in Norway. Oh, chat. If you know where you get drinks in Norway,
Let us
me
know.
know.